Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to duplicate a Discord server the right way. Whether you want to back up your server, create a second version, or set up a similar community, duplicating a Discord server saves time and makes server management a lot easier. In this video, you'll learn how to use server templates to duplicate your server, what gets copied and what doesn't, alternative ways to manually recreate a server. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you need to know. When you duplicate a Discord server, only certain elements are copied. What gets copied? Server name and icon, channel categories, text and voice channels, roles and permissions, default settings. What does not get copied? Messages and chat history, member list and roles assignments, bots and integrations, server boosts. Now that you know what to expect, let's get into the actual process. The easiest way to duplicate a Discord server is using server templates. Here's how to do it. Open Discord and go to your server. Click on your server name, top left corner, and select Server Settings. Scroll down and click Server Template. Enter a template name and description to explain what this template is for. Click Generate Template and copy the link. Using the template to create a new server, open the template link in a web browser. Click Create Server. Give the new server a name and icon. Click Create, and your duplicated server is ready. Why use server templates? Super fast and easy. Keeps roles, permissions, and channels organized. Great for cloning community or game servers. If you can't use server templates or want more control, you can manually recreate a Discord server. Steps to manually duplicate a server: create a new server, click the plus button in the server list and select Create My Own. Set up categories and channels. Recreate text and voice channels based on your old server. Re-add roles and permissions. Go to server settings, then roles, and create roles exactly as they were. Re-invite bots. Go to the bots' official website and re-invite them. Manually copy settings, adjust settings like moderation, verification, and permissions to match the original. When should you use this method? If you need custom changes, if the server template feature is disabled, if you want to modify role assignments or bots. And that's it. Now you know how to duplicate a Discord server easily. Want the fastest method? Use server templates? Need full control? Recreate it manually. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.